Okay, what's up, guys? We just got like 2 feet of snow here, and it drifted up a whole bunch, so riding is gonna be pretty fun. Okay, what's up, everyone? I know you probably heard that introduction and everything. Welcome to the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Throughout the video, the audio does kind of get bad. There was so much snow and it was flying up into the microphone. I know I put text for it, but that's what happened. My cousin is the other person in the video, so yeah, we'll see you guys in the video. This is what I'm seeing the whole time I'm riding. So I have little to no vision. And the snowmobile basically just stalls on you when you stop. Because, there's so much snow getting in it, you can't even ride very well. Because you'll hit drifts up to my knee and snow just goes straight over it and goes in the motor. And the snowmobile doesn't like that very much. That's why you'll sometimes see it smoking. It's because, Okay, show you guys how. Okay, guys. So, we're gonna go look at an old dog sled that my uncle has and my cousin. There he is. So this is gonna be really cool. Okay.
Oh, that.
That would go to the back of the snowmobile, so you can either sit down with the nice cheetah print, or on the back side. Ooh, some of the junk. There's a whole foot rack.
Oh yeah, that's neat.
But this is the bar that went and broke loose from up there and whacked my friend in the leg as we were driving. Bar's over there somewhere.
That's funny.
Funny?
Oh yeah, that must be fun to ride.
Gotta go slow though. It takes a lot of work for the snowmobile to move it, but out in this powder snow it'd go pretty good. Just be really fluffy for the person riding behind.
Yeah. You'd probably be a snow monster by the end of it.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, no boy.
I could do this.
No.
Oh sure. Yeah.
My dad, he used to give me rides when I was like 3 years old on this thing.
No,
So both of us on it.
That's funny.
We just see you
That must be
going
rough
40
riding.
miles per hour down the road on it.
My dad was saying how I think it was Alan that built the go-kart.
Yep. Yeah, he used a lawnmower front, so the front articulated, and thing only did 5 or 10 miles an hour, but he'd drive down in the ditches and pull himself out with a tractor.
That's what I heard. He would go behind the tractor and.
Yeah. I think you got the problem. You sit on top of the seat. That still works for you.
Yeah, kind of.
If the steering was moved up 4 inches, it would be better.
Oh yeah, for sure.
But I have the other one that has the padding.
Yeah.
I like that, but it's sometimes the motor is just not powerful to do it. I've drove through grassy.
I bet the carburetor's dirty on it again.
That or that engine's just getting tired. I know you guys were messing with another engine for it.
Yeah.
Can I get out now?
Yeah, you can climb out.
Okay.
Somebody get us knocking over a stand and great grandpa's do it.
Look at this old vehicle.
1937 Buick Special, the business coupe.
That's cool.
Even has a little desk in the back.
Wait, what?
Yeah, it's a business coupe.
Oh, wow.
I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but yeah, there's a full-on desk back there in the back of this thing, which is pretty neat. Yeah, so my cousin, we were just saying that my great-grandpa used to store fish in this that he couldn't keep.
Illegal fish. The out-of-slot fish that Minnesota would go and restrict on you on certain lakes. You can't keep different size fish and whatnot, or different times a year. Like, you have to wait until Mother's Day to take home like walleye and stuff like that. Before that's just panfish. So he used to go in the side panels here. He used to put fish in there that was out of slot in other cargo compartments.
Yeah, that would be my great-grandpa. So that's pretty neat. Okay. this thing started.
Yeah, right up.
Where's the little slut?
It's in the shed over by the pond.
Oh.
Oh. Don't like to stay running.
There.
You gotta put gas.
You didn't have to toggle.
I know, get off. Okay. It's really beat up. You have a better one, I'm pretty sure, but
I can hammer some of those dents out too with a hammer.
okay.
And this is the exact same sled your dad pulled me around on when I was your age. I had to figure out how to.
Josh can hold it off. Josh can hold it when we go to your house. Come on, Josh. I'll follow you. Hold on. I'll follow you. Okay, hop off, Josh. What are you doing?
Yeah, this snowdrift here is really bad. Then up along the other side of the center garden there, it's all just drifts there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Yeah, make sure to like and subscribe to watch more, and peace. Okay. No, that just helps it, driving on the road, clean the carburetor out some. So now it was idling better. Hi, Zoe.